Hello, Duchess. Today, we're gonna do stuff with the Jeep and... Wait a minute. Hello everyone, Jacky here, and welcome to the next video, which is another Jeep adventure! Not really an adventure, more like me playing a bunch of things along with the folder. But, kind of a little update for you. We got the engine out, as you'll see, and, well, we also got the transmission, transfer case, and quite a few other things in the way. We're weighing the Jeep about 700 pounds, so if you want drag race weight savings, go ahead and take the engine trans out and put in an electric motor, which, bad idea, really. But, anyway, in the video, you're going to see a time lapse. This is going to be a bit of a shorter video, so it's basically me trying out my new camera. Yes, I got a new camera. I'm not going to say what it is, but it's actually what's going on right now. So hopefully you enjoy the video, and well, hope you enjoy seeing someone get really soapy wet while pressure washing. Bye bye, Dirty Six. So, there you have it. Really just about maybe a minute of time lapse for what, probably about 2-3 hours of work, roughly. But it's all in the name of restoring the Jeep and getting the motor fresh there. I mean, as you've seen it, and that red firewall has to go. I mean, no, I don't want it to be a Christmas Jeep as it's been for, well, since its first rendition, Jeep 1.1. And, well, that's kind of what it is. So, kind of comes down to this. If you want to see more videos like these, where I do time lapses and get more depth on what happens with the Jeep project, I mean, you seem to enjoy it the last time, so why not keep going? If you want to see more Jeep videos, hit the like, comment, I mean, even share them around, who knows, they might go somewhere and you could say, oh, I shared that, I was first on it. And also on that, hit that notification bell, because every time you ring-a-ling-ding that bell, it's going to let you know whenever there's new content fresh hot out of the oven, especially if it's more gaming videos, or if it's videos about the Jeep. I mean, really anything. I could even post Purple Pocket Dot Monkey riding a unicycle down Main Street. It could be anything, really. But, as always, cook 'em, hook 'em, book 'em, and I'll see you all on the next adventure. Peace.